Hey, what's up? Jigsaw here. Moving from an iPhone to another iPhone and worrying how to move your WhatsApp data? Don't worry, you can transfer your chat and media using these 3 ways I'm going to show you. Let's go. The first method I'm going to share to you is transferring the WhatsApp data without backup. This transfer feature uses a QR code and can transfer messages, media files, and more. However, payment messages and call history cannot be transferred. Make sure that both phones have the latest iOS and WhatsApp versions. To start, open WhatsApp on the old iPhone. Go to Settings and tap on Chats. Here, select Transfer Chats to iPhone, then Start. On the new phone, install WhatsApp and register with the same phone number. Finally, select Continue on Transfer Chat History to iPhone and scan the QR code on the old device using the camera. Once the transfer is complete, set up the profile on the new device. The second method is using WhatsApp's built-in chat backup service. This service backs up your chats and saves the data to iCloud. You need to make sure that the iCloud backup function is turned on both devices. To start, on your old device, open WhatsApp. Go to Settings and tap Chats. Select Chat Backup and then Backup Now. WhatsApp now saves your chats on its iCloud server, the same as a while ago. To transfer your chats to your new iPhone, install WhatsApp on the new phone. Enter your contact number to log in, and you will see the Restore from iCloud prompt. Tap on the Restore button to transfer your chats to the new phone. You've seen the other ways, but the most reliable method I truly recommend for transferring WhatsApp from one iPhone to another is using this software. WhatsApp does not develop software to transfer data from one device to another with support for all devices, including Windows, Android, iOS, and Mac. But there are a lot of third-party transfer tools capable of moving WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone, or vice versa. And here, I'm going to recommend a professional desktop WhatsApp data transfer tool. This software is designed to make it easy to transfer, backup, and restore chat data from WhatsApp. With its WhatsApp transfer feature, you can move the app messages, documents, photos, stickers, videos, and audio from your iOS and Android devices. You can visit the link I've attached to the description below to try the software with a free trial, or purchase it with unlimited use and a 30-day money-back guarantee. To use it, you need a PC to download and install the software from the official website. Make sure your mobile devices and operating systems can work together with the tool. You can look at this list of tech specifications that the tool supports. Then connect both your source and target mobile devices to your computer using USB cables. Now, open the tool application on your computer. Within the software, select WhatsApp from the choices. By default, the transfer feature is already displayed, so the next thing to do is to choose Source and Target. The software will typically display your connected devices. Designate which device is the source, the device with the data you want to transfer, and which is the target, the device you want to transfer the data to. You can also click the button here in the center to switch which one of the devices is the source or target. It could be Android to iPhone, vice versa, or iPhone to iPhone. Afterward, click the transfer button to begin the process. Pay close attention to any on-screen instructions that the software provides. You may need to grant permissions on your mobile devices. After setting up your devices by following the instructions shown, tap on Continue to resume the process of transferring data. The transfer process may take some time, depending on the amount of data. Allow the software to complete the process without interrupting it. Once completed, it is wise to verify that all of your data has transferred correctly. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.